In this video, I will show you how to reset Windows 10 or 11. Resetting or formatting your Windows 10 or 11 laptop can help resolve performance issues or prepare it for a fresh start. So to do that, go ahead and access Settings. So click on the Start menu and click on Settings. Navigate to Update and Security. And then here, go ahead and head over into the Recovery tab. Choose Recovery option. So click on Recovery and then select Reset this PC. So choose between Keep My Files, retains your personal files but removes apps and settings. Remove everything, delete all files, apps, and settings. After that, go ahead and select Reinstallation method, Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Cloud Download downloads a fresh copy of Windows, and Local Reinstall uses files already on your PC. Now, last but not the least, follow the instructions. Confirm your choices and click Next. Your PC will restart several times during the process. And that's basically how you can reset or format your Windows 10 or 11 laptop. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.